Right, what I'm going to do here is a quick repair on this. This has pulled out of there. How thin these wires, they get them now. It's all insulation and no wire. So, a bit of economy gone mad, I think. So let's get this apart and get it. Yeah, a little PCB, look. And that one's only just hanging on as well. Maybe I'll chop that one. Maybe do that while I'm there. Let's get a little bit of flux. Put a little bit of tape down. I can flux on it. Just peel it up afterwards. Put some on there. Get the soldering on. Right, there's the cable strippers. Oh. How thin that wire is. It's tiny. Less than half a mil, I swear. It looks like 0.2 or something. I don't know what this was. Back out. I use it as a little test lead for the power supply. Right. Ain't nobody staying on there very long. Still in there. Put this of those wires. So put this that way around on it. That's it. All that done. Subscribe and thanks for watching.